perfecting my craft. This is why when you come and you say my stuff is very expensive, no, my stuff isn't expensive. My stuff could be extremely expensive for what it's designed to do. But again, my demonstrations are fake and they're not even real. Feel free to complete them all. Not good at all. Way too much saturation of black. This is supposed to be a glass. It's supposed to be crystal clear. Those people thinking at the end of the day I'm being too hard. No, it is what it is. Look. You see that over there? See how the grass pops up? I can see the feathers on the bald eagle. See all that? You're supposed to be to pick up all that. I'll show you a perfect example. Oh, we got mice up there. No, we don't. We got to do this by freaking hand.